Turn on the power switch. Press the power button, the indicator light turns white. Customizable main interface display software. Magnetic touch pen. Click on Apply All. Long press the app to edit the location or uninstall the app. Click on the App Market to download the app. Long press the icon, click on the minus sign to uninstall the application. Click on the Welcome function. We can choose the template we need for editing.
You can choose the background or customize the upload.
Click on the icon to select the text template to be edited. Click to adjust text size, color, etc. Click on the document application to use features, such as PPT, PDF, etc. Click on the sidebar to use the annotation writing function. Click the export icon in the annotation window to save the annotated content. Click on the whiteboard to open the electronic whiteboard function. The electronic whiteboard has 3 tool areas, the first for settings, the second for writing, and the third for page selection. Click on Settings. Can be used for writing pen and background adjustment. Use different colors for pen tip and cap. Click on the circled content to edit, delete, copy, move, and zoom in out. Gesture erase. Click to undo operation. Can insert documents, graphics, and videos. There are still many practical small functions available. Scan the QR code with your phone to save the whiteboard file to your phone. When exiting, you can choose to save the content. Click on the home page to enter the screen mirroring function, where you can wirelessly project your phone, tablet, or computer onto the screen, supporting simultaneous projection from 4 devices. Scan the code on your phone to cast the screen. Click on the homepage File Management to manage documents, installation packages, whiteboard files, and other content. Support the use of USB flash drives. Click on the homepage settings. There are low functions. The first item is to set up the network, the second item is to set up the theme, and the third item is to manage ports and speakers. The fourth item allows setting the language and time, the fifth item is switching input methods, and the sixth item is machine information. Click on the channel to select the display video source. Dual System Machine, click PC to enter Windows System. Or click on the icon to enter the Windows System. There are side menu bars on both sides. It can manage running software, brightness, sound, etc., and has many practical teaching and conference tools. Thank you for watching.